Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to rotate a video in Camtasia. First, launch Camtasia and create a new project. Import the video clip you want to rotate. Then for rotate this video, click on Properties. And from here, you can see the rotate icon Z. You can change the number for exact rotation. For this, delete the default number and type 180. And here you can see our video is rotated successfully. You can also rotate by click on the rotation tool icon in the toolbar. You can also click and drag the rotation handle on the video clip to rotate it manually. Adjust the rotation angle as needed to achieve the desired orientation. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.